Oi, Sky! I know you're hiding nitrogen up there.
Haha, you fool! The sky has 78% nitrogen, but you can't have any for your soil because the N2 bond is too strong.
What? So you're telling me the sky has all the nitrogen, but I can't even have any?
Unless nature decides to zap it with lightning.
What?
Fine! Lightning turns nitrogen into nitric acid, which then falls as rain, and it becomes nitrates for your soil. Happy?
I was happier before I knew that. I put in the nitrates, I grow crops, and then poof, no more nitrogen. Where's it gone?
Your plants took it. When you harvest, you're stealing nitrogen from your soil.
So how do I get it back?
There are 3 ways. First, fertilizers, the fast but expensive way. Second, legumes, beans with bacteria that steal nitrogen from the air. And third, manure. It's also called as cow poop. So you're basically using cow poop.
Hate all of those options.
Homogeneous process. First, factory 1, label process, turns nitrogen into ammonia. Second, phosphor process, turns ammonia into nitric acid. Third, ammonium nitrate production, makes fertilizer and other things.
You're controlling the entire nitrogen supply?
This is the biggest nitrogen heist I've ever seen since the dinosaurs.
We prefer call it a good business.
I want to invest.
Excellent. What interests you?
Nitric acid, that stuff is gold. Fertilizer, explosive, soap, textile, it's everywhere.
Why do I feel like we should be concerned?
Because this man just said fertilizers and explosives in the same sentence and didn't even blink.
No blue babies!
Blue, what now?
Excess nitrate in water causes blue baby syndrome. So babies don't get enough oxygen and they turns blue.
Oh no! Too much nitrogen runoff causes algae blooms, kills fish, and ruins drinking water.
Great. First I didn't know nitrogen, and now there's too much? Make up your mind, science.
BBS Corp is not responsible for nitrate pollution because of natural process.
Yeah, but your factory are dumping way too much into the water.
We play the fifth. Quick, let's do some PR damage control.
Please tell me it's not another terrible idea.
We will give everyone free car exhaust systems.
How does that help?
They reduce NOx emission, which causes acid rain.
But that doesn't fix the water pollution.
Oh, well, enjoy free mufflers.
My crops, my barn, my tractors.
That's acid rain. It's caused by nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide reacting with water. It kills fish, dissolves buildings, and makes lakes toxic.
We may have underestimated effects.
Can we actually fix this?
Yes, 3 ways. First, reduce factories' emissions. Second, use catalytic converters in cars. And third, add limestones to lakes and soil to neutralize acid.
Fine, we will try to be responsible.
So nitrogen is essential but super hard to balance?
And corporation can either help or destroy everything.
And never trust a business that produces fertilizers and explosives altogether.
Huh?